We just got 2 new boxes to open up. I know that these boxes are a little bit more unique than what we typically get in, so buckle up. This is gonna be a fun unboxing today. Some of the ones that we have in here are kind of some of my new personal favorite new arrivals that we've really ever gotten in. So, also some are really, really good for summertime, because I'll give you a clue, you wear them on your face. Hopefully you know what that clue means. It's not a purse. But we do, in the summertime, we do get a good amount of sunglasses. And of course people wear sunglasses year round, but these sunglasses that we usually get in are either Chanel brand, Prada, Louis Vuitton, Gucci. Those are some of the brands that we get in for our sunglasses. And they're obviously all secondhand because that's what we do. We have secondhand designer items. But the condition on some of these is just like amazing. Okay, let's start with this. Okay, let's start with this one. Okay, this is the Louis Vuitton Papillon. The Papillon is a French word for butterfly. So this bag is supposed to resemble a sideways butterfly. So like the body and then the wings are up like this. This one is a vintage one. The newer style does have vachetta leather instead of this vintage brown leather, but that's just one way that you can tell that it's a vintage bag. It also has leather on the interior, another vintage sign. This one in general is in very good condition. It's very clean, and you can even see on the piping, the side leather, it's very clean, not really any scuffing on that. And then I have seen so many of these people wearing these out and about. Like we were in New York City last month, and I saw so many people wearing this style of bag. I think it's just very popular right now, this barrel shape. And you could attach a crossbody strap. You would put it here, and then on the opposite side here, and you would wear it as a crossbody bag, and it would kind of lay on your hip like that. It's very cute, very chic, and again, it's the butterfly bag. Inside though, okay, so first of all, this is exciting. The interior on this one, like I said, is leather, but this one has something. They are sold separately, but here's the inside. This is the baby or the mini Papillon. So again, it still has this butterfly shape to it. LV monogram canvas, and then it has the side piping. So they are nearly identical bags, but this one has just one little strap. You can wear it on your wrist, like a little wristlet bag. This would be great for, actually a lot of people do buy these tiny bags for like their young daughters that are into purses. If you're bougie, otherwise you can just wear it for yourself, but you can wear it on a girls' night out because it does fit a couple credit cards and some cash, and then your small keys could fit inside of there. I wouldn't put like big chunky keys, but you could put some keys, your credit cards, and some cash inside of this little slot. It zips closed. So that's the mini Papillon, so cute. One of my favorites. That one's on the website. Next, wow, this is the larger item box, and then I'm guessing that the smaller things are in the second box here. Okay, this comes with the dust bag. You can kind of peep what it was already. It's a red bag. Let's open it up. Wow. Okay, so this is a red locket backpack, Louis Vuitton, and it's red calfskin leather, as you can see. It's like a lipstick red. It has silver Louis Vuitton imprinted here, silver hardware. So just a quick authentication tip. The imprint, if it's silver hardware, it's gonna be the same color as the hardware. So you can kind of see that it is silver imprinted there. This piece is just minorly faded, just a tiny bit. This hardware is very shiny, very clean. It unlocks like this. Let me show the bottom. I don't really see any scuffing or anything crazy going on the bottom. And then it opens up to this piece where you can kind of tighten it, just pull tight on the bottom. And then the interior is tan suede interior, raw leather really on the interior. And then it has this slip pocket in the back. And let me put it on so you can kind of see. It is adjustable on the straps, but let me give you an idea of what it looks like on. Here's how it looked like to wear it. It's a newer style. I believe this is a 2016. I think we looked at the tag recently and that's a 2016. So it is a newer style and it is in mint condition. So that one is fun. Yes, so like I thought, we have another backpack here. So we've got our large items, and then I think this box is full of some smaller goodies. Okay, this is a Gucci canvas backpack. It's a large size, so just for size reference, and the straps are adjustable, but let me show you how it looks on real fast. Here's how it wears. I would probably adjust the straps to make it a little bit longer. It was a little short on me, but that's easy to do. The exterior is full cotton canvas, and it is very clean. I don't really see any markings on it. It's in mint condition. The bottom is clean. I don't see any scuffing on the bottom. And then the leather is really nice too. It's got these brown leather pieces that actually helps to lock it together. So the way that this piece locks is you just press this button down, opens like that, and then it's got silk interior with a zipper pocket on the back. So here's how the inside looks. This one's awesome because it has so much space. You can put a full-size laptop in here. If I had one nearby, I would show you, but it does fit a full-size laptop. You could like literally even put a small purse inside of here. It's a pretty big backpack. So if you carry a lot of stuff for work or to school, this would be great. You could fit all of your books in there. And then it does cinch closed at the top like that. But you can of course loosen it too. Has these two little zipper pockets on the front, and this is super cool. We've never really had a really neat Gucci backpack like this one before. So I will say, I think that that one shouldn't last too long. It's really neat. That one is currently on the website, as are, I think all of these are on the website. Okay, let's see what's in this box. Okay, next we have this wallet. This is, okay, so this doesn't have any branding on the exterior, but if you can guess what it is, I'll give you a clue. It's one of the highest, it is the highest level of designer. So if you've guessed it, this is Hermes wallet. A lot of times Hermes wallets don't have branding on the exterior of them, but the insides are usually pretty dope. So, and yes, I just said dope. Let me show you the exterior. This one has a small little mark right here, and then just some minor fading. It's a really cool orange type color, and then it has silver hardware. So let's open it up. This is where the real fun happens with Hermes bags. Okay, so here's the inside, just as expected. It's like this really neat, I don't know, Victorian, like it has this little sun, this sun here, which is pretty cool. It's got like statues and stuff. Lots of pink, lots of yellow, lots of orange inside of here. And you can see the Hermes little tag, little baby tag. And then it does have a zipper pouch that opens. And the zipper pouch has some dirtiness on the inside. That's from coins, like residue from coins. It's very common, but you're gonna put your coins in there anyways. The price on this one I know is excellent. I don't know it off the top of my head, but I think it might be like $5.95, which for an Hermes wallet is an excellent price. Slip that in any of your bags and you've got a really cute orange wallet. Next we have, very desirable, very sought after, hard to get your hands on multicolor wallet. This is the Takashi Murakami collection. So Louis Vuitton did a collaboration with a Japanese artist. His name is Takashi Murakami, and this is where this gorgeous multicolor LV monogram comes from. This one generally has just a little bit of fading on the white part. That's pretty common. You can kind of see it a little bit here. Just a little bit of light discoloration. And then the cotton around the zipper is not bad. It's got a couple tiny spots here, but it's actually not so bad. This one is the Zippy wallet, which is one of Louis Vuitton's very, very most popular style wallets. The Zippy wallet and the Sarah wallet, kind of like the tip top there. And we do have some Sarah wallets on our website too. Okay, so this one opens to a really pretty magenta interior. I'm just looking at it. I don't really see any issues on the interior on this one. So everything wrong with this one's just gonna be a little bit of discoloration on the outside. I don't see anything going on the inside. It's very pretty, very clean. It's leather. Let's open up the zipper pouch. Oh wow, no like coin residue in the zipper pouch either. So this is a really good condition Zippy wallet in multicolor. This is always just a fun, if you don't, like let's say you just carry a wallet So I kind of personally just carry a wallet. I don't usually carry a big bag, but this is just a fun, like, add it to your outfit bag that you can carry for a day out where you don't want to carry a big purse. I have some like sunglasses and things in here. I'm gonna skip those and come back to them in a minute after this bag. This is a croissant. It's a French word, so it's literally just a croissant in American English, but it is the PM size croissant. This is a pretty rare. I think this might be our second one total that we've ever gotten in, so pretty rare style for us to get in. It's discontinued. Let me show you how it looks on the shoulder. It wears very comfortably on the shoulder because the strap is thick and it doesn't like slide off of your shoulder. You know what I mean? I hate it when bags do that. It has a leather, vachetta leather strap, and the strap is very clean. Some very minor, like, I wouldn't even really call them watermarkings because it's hard to even see them, but there's a couple tiny speckles on there. This one's really cool. The interior on these is really nice. They are suede, bright red suede interiors. Super clean, and has a slip pocket here and a small slip pocket there. So this is this is the PM size. They did make a couple different sizes, but this one is a good size. It holds a full-size wallet perfectly fine. You could put your agenda in there, your key holder, your phone, and everything for everyday use, and that would be a really good option for you. Just a really unique collector's item for sure. Okay, so this is the Louis Vuitton Sarah wallet that we just got in. The Sarah wallet is one of Louis Vuitton's most popular style wallets. It's kind of rivals, but kind of ties with the Zippy wallet. So that's the one we just showed here. This is the multicolor Zippy wallet. These are the two most popular style Louis Vuitton wallets. This one zips all the way around. This one is the newer style Sarah wallet. So they did remake the original Sarah wallet. The original Sarah wallet was had a flat piece that went across here. This is more of like a triangle envelope style. They do have a pocket in the back that has a leather interior, so you can stick your most used credit card or whatever. I don't know what people would typically use this for, but I'd usually probably put my most used card back there so I have easy access to it. It opens up and then it immediately has 4 card slots right here. Something to look for on secondhand Sarah wallets is sometimes they can have some curling from grabbing the card out so many times. This one's in very nice condition, so it doesn't have any curling from constantly grabbing your cards out of those front pockets, so that's very nice. Okay, and then it opens up to so many more cards. So honestly, they had to remake a lot of Louis Vuitton wallets that were vintage because people use so much more plastic nowadays. So here's the inside on this one. It has, I believe it's 12 additional card slots on the inside, and then this little slip pocket here where you could put maybe a checkbook or just some more cash. You could put more cash in this back pocket here, and then a zipper section for your coins. This one is very, very nice on the coin section. So sometimes you can see some residue from coins inside of this zipper pocket, but this one doesn't have any coin residue on there. So it's a very clean bag. These, again, all of these are on our website. I'm just looking to see if there's anything that I missed. All of these are on our website currently, so you can find them right now, milkhoneycollection.com. Okay, that one's very nice. I highly recommend this one. And you could just type in Sarah on our website and be able to find that. Okay, let's open this little guy. This, my friends, is a vintage Louis Vuitton cigarette case. But a lot of people back in the day smoked a lot in the 60s, 70s, 80s. And so they sold these type of style things to carry cigarettes in. Obviously not as much, not as often anymore. So what I recommend to customers, and these have been one of our best, hottest selling items once I started recommending that, put your lip glosses and your lipsticks inside of here for a couple reasons. Then you don't have to scramble around the bottom of your purse looking for your lipsticks and your lip glosses, but also they don't have an opportunity to open and then get inside of your bag dirty. These sell out so fast on our website now that I kind of mentioned that. So this one, they're on our website currently, so if you see it and it's there and it's on and it's not sold, I recommend grabbing that. So yes, this holds about 4 or 5 lipsticks, lip glosses, and then it does close shut. You can see that it's long enough to hold a lip gloss too. Let's open some sunglasses. This is Louis Vuitton sunglass case, as you can see. And let's open her up. Ooh, these are so cute. Oh my gosh, we had some similar ones to this recently, but they were not as rounded. They were more squarish. Okay, so these have this very pretty sparkly, it might be hard to pick up on camera, but really pretty sparkly kind of like see-through color or champagne color on the exterior. And then the sides have the LV logos on both sides of the earpieces. And then even like little details like this bronze type color logo on the tip top of the earpieces as well. And then you can see made in Italy and all the Louis Vuitton info right on the side. So here's how they look. I can't see myself, but I feel like these are really cute. So those are really fun. And then they, I guess, and again, they do come with the original case. Next we have these sunglasses. These come with a Prada box and the case. So Prada made some interesting looking cases. In my opinion, it's kind of unnecessary, but hey, I mean the shape. But here's how they open. Here's the top. This one has the little cloth for cleaning on the inside as well. Prada logo cloth. The interior, you can see Prada logo on that. So that one is good. It comes with all the stuff. And then this one, these are nice. Some very, very, very minute and minor scratching on the lenses, and I'll put them on to see if they affect any seeing ability or anything like that, but they're teeny tiny. You probably can't see them very well. They are kind of like a tortoise shell on the exterior. It is not as tortoisey on the front, but you can see it kind of on the top, but the back you can tell it's more tortoisey. They open up and they have this really fun like wave design with silver down the middle. You can see the Prada logo right here on the side, on both sides. Let's put them on. They're kind of like a small size, so if you have a bigger head, I would consider my head like medium, normal size, I don't know, but I will say they're kind of like a small size, so they're just a little bit tight, but then some people want their sunglasses tight so they don't fall off of their face. Here's how they look. I feel like these look really cute too. I like larger frames, so I feel like I'll like these. Oh, and I didn't notice any scratching or anything. So I saw a couple teeny tiny minute scratches when I was looking at the lenses, but I don't notice any visual issues at all. Okay, so that one did come with, like I said, it came with the cloth and the case and a Prada box as well. So comes with all the fixins. And then the last pair of sunglasses that we have are kind of top of the top. These are Chanel sunglasses. And these are also tortoiseshell, but they're obviously more, I guess they're more obvious tortoiseshell. The multi-color combo of yellow and brown. These are a little bit smaller frames. So for a smaller face, this would be good. Does have gold tone hardware CCs on both sides, pretty large ones. So it's very obvious Chanel. You can see the Chanel logos on the inside, and then here's how they look on. Very cute. Okay, so to wrap it up, we had at least 3 pairs of sunglasses that we just opened, a few wallets, and then a Louis Vuitton Papillon, some backpacks, and a croissant bag. So if you are new here, you can find all of these on our website at milkhoneycollection.com. We also unbox all of our new arrivals and we put them on our YouTube channel, which is just Milk Honey Collection on YouTube. And if you're watching from YouTube right now, you can go check out any of our other unboxings, and some of those items might be on our website as well currently, so you can find those. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment. Let me know which one of these new arrivals was your favorite. My favorite was probably this red Louis Vuitton locket leather backpack. That was probably mine. So comment, let me know which one was your favorite, and wait for the next video because I know it will be awesome.